Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Drawbricks Easy Guide. Place bricks on a flat surface, align edges, and sketch the outline before you connect pieces. Start with a simple shape and work from the center outward to keep proportions balanced. Press bricks firmly together so lines stay crisp and continuous. Take breaks to step back and review overall shape, then refine details for a clean, finished look. Build in small sections and continuously check alignment so your design remains coherent and tidy. Swap pieces when a color or size disrupts the flow to preserve the intended pattern. Use reference guides or preliminary sketches to match proportions and maintain perspective across the build. When working on curves, alternate small bricks and stagger joints to achieve smooth transitions without gaps or weak points in the structure. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help us make more guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for setting a creative mood while you build. I linked the product and other deals in the description, so check there for details and savings. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on refining one area at a time so corrections stay manageable and visible. Brighten or darken sections by swapping a few bricks to adjust contrast and depth. Use consistent lighting to spot shadows that may distort shapes and alter placement accordingly. Keep tools like tweezers and small scrapers nearby for precise adjustments and to preserve crisp lines without disturbing adjacent bricks during corrections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.